Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best handheld CB radios on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Midland GXT1000VP4, Best Value Pack. If you're browsing handheld CB radio reviews, you may be looking for a value pack to bring multiple devices together and connect your entire team. This Midland handheld radio set is an excellent choice for supporting an entire group at once. Each small, handheld CB radio features 50 GMRS channels, along with an automatic channel scanning feature to check for voices. There's JIS4 waterproofing protection, so you don't need to worry about issues with communication in the rain. A 36-mile range also ensures you can enjoy smooth communication in open areas with minimal obstruction. Easy voice and sound activation combine with 9 sensitivity levels for excellent hands-free performance. With hundreds of channel options to choose from, the Midland CB handheld radio is an excellent option for all kinds of teams. You'll even get the added benefit of NOAA weather scanning, to keep users up to date with emergency weather alerts. Plus, the radio kit comes with a host of accessories, like desktop chargers, boom mic headsets, and belt clips. Pros. Excellent value for a pack of 4. Great long-range connectivity. Easy to use with automatic scanning. Accessories included, like belt clip. Support for NOAA weather channels. Cons. Very heavy for handheld radios. Number 2. Second best pick is Uniden PRO401HH Professional, Best Ease of Use. One of the most powerful handheld CB radio options around, the Uniden PRO401HH delivers peace of mind and simplicity for modern radio users. This simple handheld device gives you an excellent amount of range, so you can always stay in touch with the people who matter most. A low power setting also assists with converting battery life, while a high power setting allows you to extend your range whenever necessary. Flexible and easy to use, this Uniden radio will operate on any of the 40 CB radios authorized by the FCC. Wherever you are, the high-performance connectivity will offer excellent peace of mind. The lightweight and compact design also means it's easy to simply throw your radio in a backpack before any trip. A switch in the device allows you to switch between standard or rechargeable batteries. Features include excellent range with a high-performance mode, low power setting to reduce battery use, access to 40 FCC-approved channels, compact and lightweight design, conveniently placed controls, rechargeable or standard batteries, antenna included. Though not the most advanced handheld CB radio we've seen, the Uniden is a fantastic choice for those in search of quick and easy radio performance. With this device, you can rest assured you'll never lose track of the other people in your group. Pros. Useful high and low performance mode. 40 FCC approved channels. Compact and lightweight. Very easy to use. Great for range. Cons. Better at receiving than transmitting. Number 3. Third best pick is Baofeng UV5R, best for options. One of the better-known names in the world of long-range handheld CB radio technology, Baofeng is a popular choice among professionals. This UV5R handset comes with access to 128 channels in total, including a dual-frequency display, dual standby mode, and independent band operation. The device will automatically search through channels on your behalf and allow you to set up emergency alerts for instant access to information. Aside from offering a comprehensive CB radio experience, the Baofeng also comes with a host of bonus capabilities. You can program your device to connect to new channels via your PC with chirp technology. There's an LED flashlight for emergencies, and a high or low power switch. Though the Baofeng will require a little more professional knowledge to operate at full capacity, it's an excellent product for pros. This solution gives you plenty of options for how to use your CB radio. There's even support for quick programming through your PC, thanks to chirp access technology. Pros: emergency alert and LED flashlight. Support for quick programming features. Lock channel access. More than 100 channels to explore. Excellent functionality. Cons: can be complex for beginners. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Retevis T55 Marine Radio, best for boats. There are plenty of different ways to use a handheld CB radio these days. One of the most popular options is to use your radio as a solution for ensuring safety and security on board. The Retevis RT55 is a marine-ready product with a floating design, so even if you drop your device overboard, you can still retrieve it with ease. The self-contained device even helps to drain excess water from the microphone and speaker, with a vibration system to jolt moisture out of the technology. With the Retevis, you'll have access to wide frequency cover across Canada and the USA, as well as support for international marine channels. Tri-Watch function also ensures you can track multiple frequencies at once. There's also a NOAA alarm for weather alerts. Features include backlit LCD screen for visibility, durable and rugged design, Tri-Watch function, hot button for instant access to frequencies, NOAA weather alarm, US, Canada, and international connections, 100% floating design, self-contained drainage function, easily eliminate water entering the radio. The Retevis T55 Marine Radio is a state-of-the-art, durable CB radio, perfect for life on the water. The LCD screen even features a convenient backlight so you can view channels in any situation. What's more, the clarity can also be adjusted in your screen to suit your needs. Pros: excellent waterproofing and floating technology. Wide frequency range. Tri-Watch function for watching multiple channels. NOAA weather alarms. LCD screen with backlight. Cons: no programmable options. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Uniden MHS75 waterproof, best durability. Another excellent Uniden handheld CB radio, the MHS57 is a beautiful waterproof device designed to give you more control over your communication strategy. The two-way marine radio is rugged enough to handle knocks and bumps with ease. High-level waterproofing also ensures you can continue to use your device after submerging it in water for up to 30 minutes. Users can even jump between multiple power options when transmitting with their radio. The MHS75 covers all major channels in the USA, Canada, and international market. The device is ideal for tuning into marine channels to stay up to date on what's happening with other boats in your area. You can also set up a triple watch function for monitoring multiple frequencies at the same time. Features include access to Canadian, USA, and international channels. Triple channel watch function. Multiple transmission power options. Waterproof and submersible. Suitable for rugged daily use. Clip-on DC charger. Excellent memory channel scan. NOAA weather channel support. Making it quick and easy to find the channels you need, the Uniden radio can automatically scan a range of frequencies looking for voices. The device also comes with NOAA weather channel access, so you can always be aware of any dangerous weather conditions coming your way. Pros: support for all kinds of channels. Triple watch functionality. Submersible, waterproof, and rugged. Memory and automatic scan. NOAA weather channels. Cons: not the most durable belt clip. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.